Rolling.
And
Look at
it's
that.
done.
It's all together. Wow.
Cotter pinned, locked. I just got to grease all the connections.
You gotta put your Zerk back in here too.
Oh, yeah, that's right. I forgot about that. So I can grease that.
Yep, that needs to be greased.
But everything is tight. And I mean tight. This is going to be...
Virgin on prom night?
Here you go. Just because. Move that wheel.
Kind of can't, but I'm kind of tired.
Oh. Everything is tight. This thing should be the best driving T-Bird with damn near all factory original shit.
Yeah, it's all factory replacement stuff. It's all nice stuff.
Yep.
No junk.
No junk in the trunk. Bump, bump, bump.
But it's done. It looks good. 'Tis nice, sir.
It is.
Good job.
I just wish we had the rest of the stuff to finish the front end. Well,
It is pretty much finished.
copper washers, stuff like that, so I
just
can
the
start
crush
putting
washer.
wheels on. And
Get that done, get that bled, and you're going to work on the...
I'm doing the exhaust system next because I got all the parts laid out.
Oh, yeah, you got all your hangers and all that fun shit to do.
So now I have to take everything back down again, slide the hangers in.
Work one at a time.
Well, slide the clamps on and in.
And do it one at a time.
Yep. Well, the passenger side seems to be the best. Because, I mean, absolutely... I mean, this is perfect.
Yeah.
There's no banging, no nothing. But when you come to the driver's side...
That's a little snug on the frame there, buddy.
Yeah. I mean, that's factory. These are factory replacement parts. So I'm not...
We need to just grab the end of it and give it a little oomph.
Yeah. Well, I just notched the frame and built a little box around it. It's fine. It's fine.
Self-clearance.
Yeah, exactly. Well, or just wait till it rubs a hole in it, and then we can just patch it.
Oh, my God. Scotty, please don't.
I know, right? More scrapey. Oh, is that going to come?
No.
Tiny piece.
All right. Well,
But
carry
yeah.
on. All done. Carry on, sir.
And motor mounts are coming when?
Probably Wednesday.
Okay, that shouldn't take us but a couple of minutes to do. I mean, like, legitimately. I've never seen them like this. Ooh, God bless you.
Ooh. Oh, damn, that was a sneeze. Watch your head.
Yeah.
Watch your
I
head
mean,
again.
like, legitimately, I've never seen them like that. I didn't know they made such a motor mount.
Yeah, that's it. All right. So
Okay, boys and girls. Next time round, you'll see, I hope.
part of the exhaust done.
Yeah.
Done.
Dun, dun, dun.